then Wiper stands to suffer as a party.
So campaign fever is everywhere in Kenya right now, and as they say, politics is local. Politicians sensitive to the localities of their campaigns are now resorting to vernacular languages to send their slogans home. The slogans are on banners, billboards and motor vehicles, but there is a section of Kenyans who now feel that campaign material should be in the national language. KTN's Mashirima Kapombe with that report.
Posters plastered on walls all over the country as aspirants hope their faces and slogans will guarantee their party ticket. The slogans, however, are what draw us in. A statement that is meant to pull a crowd, but language locks some voters out.
Najua mtu anaongea venye anaona kaa ataingia.
Kuna ile tunaita the dominant community.
The notion that the bigger the audience determines the language used is, however, not acceptable to some, like Stephen Washira, who feels it is a selfish move.
Unajua kuna wanashukuria vote hapa na wanakaa wanaishi Nyeri, wamezalia Nyeri. Kwa hivyo tunasalia hata watu tunaweka kwa jamii yetu.
In Kisumu County, the narrative is no different. Most aspirants use the native Luo language to sell their dream to residents.
These cities are cosmopolitan. We find that we have the Luos, we have the Kikuyus, we have the Kalenjins, and we have the Luyas. Who doesn't understand these languages?
They should change the perception that Kisumu is only a Nyanza state.
Kitaka kufanya vitu kama hizi, tunatengeneza lugha moja ambayo inaitwa English, ambayo ni lugha ya taifa, ama isipokuwa hivyo inakuwa Kiswahili.
Article 44, Section 2A of the Constitution 2010 on language and culture stipulates that anyone has the right to enjoy one's culture and use their language. An article that NCIC Commissioner Professor Gitile Naituli says preserves culture but raises issues on integration, something even ordinary folk feel needs to be implemented with care.
Wao wanaandika na Kikuyu na Kiswahili ndio watu wote waelewe.
Normally huwa tunasema when you go to Rome, do as the Romans do.
To others, however, language is not an issue. Lilian Malili is from Machakos County but lives and works in the county of Kirinyaga.
Seti ni venye mtu ametumia lugha. Sasa nitaangalia mwenye maendeleo ndio itategemea.
Tunataka ule mtu atakuja kutuletea maono mazuri, hata ni Mkikuyu, hata ni Mjaluo, hata ni nani.
Politics is a game of numbers, and when it comes down to it, the majority always wins. So for the minority, you either make